Om Namo Venkateshaya. This is to all the women. Are you in your late 30s and early 40s and struggling to lose weight despite doing good dieting and facing with the mood swings problems and facing the sleep disturbances? Yes, this could be perimenopause. And you are not alone in this journey and don't have to worry because with a little bit of slight changes in your daily routine, it's possible to balance this phase. So let's learn what is this perimenopause. I am Dr. Ballarapu Girija Kumari, anesthesiologist, perimenopause and menopause coach. I help women about 35 years who are having hormonal issues to balance that with the science-based strategies. So let's decode this perimenopause. This perimenopause usually occurs in the late 30s and early 40s just because we are predetermined with an amount of eggs at our birth itself. So when this amount of eggs in the uterus or ovary starts declining, there is imbalances within the estrogen and progesterone levels. The estrogen levels starts declining. So that's when the declining in the estrogen levels is actually going to cause all these problems with respect to the brain fog, because it affects every organ of the body, especially the brain, metabolism part, and skin problems. So all these sleep patterns keep changing. So all this happens, but this phase lasts for 4 to 10 years. So before there is a complete cessation, that is called the cessation of the periods, that is called the menopause period. So during this time there will be changes in the skin also. So what exactly we have to do during that period? So we can face this phase boldly, because this is not going to last for a day or two. It's going to last for 10 to 20 years. That's when we need to focus a little bit on our lifestyle. So actually what we have to do, if you are taking a right nutrition in the sense having a good amount of vegetable part and taking vitamin D, magnesium, ashwagandha, omega-3 fatty acids, and also having a right proteins and taking a good hydration and fiber-rich food, and moving your body right, and certain muscle strengthening exercises with following a sleep routine, meditation. All these are actually going to be useful for you. So let's keep learning these factors one after the other in the coming videos, and let me know what menopausal issues or symptom you are facing among the things which I have mentioned in the comment box below. Let's work together these symptoms which are occurring during the menopause period. Still not subscribed to my channel? Like, subscribe and share it on to the others for more menopausal related problems in the coming videos, because weekly twice videos keep coming. Thank you so much and stay connected. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.